Hello. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to air loops. The air loop edit dialog and system components will be covered in the next tutorial. Air loops can be used to provide ventilation, heating, cooling, and humidity control, depending on the system type you define in Designbuilder. During this tutorial, I will show you how to add a generic air loop to provide mechanical ventilation and how to add zone ventilation components. In this tutorial, I will build on the chilled water loops tutorial and model a simple system to enable me.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.